Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my sixth lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2F, that is about application of simultaneous linear equations in real world. In this lesson, I will solve intermediate level question number 12. As the questions are long, so I've written the questions in short form and I'll be reading the questions from the book. Let me read question number 12 carefully. The giant pandas Kia and Gia reside at the river Safari. The sum of their ages when they first arrived in Singapore in 2013 was 11 years. In 2022, Kia will be 3 times as old as Gia was in 2013. Find their ages in 2014. The question is about the age. So what we have to do, we have to suppose that how old is Kia and how old is Gia when they were first time arrived in Singapore in 2013. So what will be the supposition? We will be supposing let the Kia's age in 2013. In 2013, this is the information I'm writing on the basis of the year 2013. Let Kia's age. Let the age of Kia or Kia's age is X years, okay, X years, and the age of Gia in 2013, Gia is Y years in 2013. Then the question says that the sum of their ages is 11 years. So according to condition, equation will become x plus y equals to 11. This is the sum of their ages when they were first time arrived in Safari river. Okay, then the question next information says in 2022, the first information is for 2013 and the next information is for 2022. So we have to see that between 2013 and 2022, how many years gap is there. So from 13 to 22, we have the gap of 9 years. It means the next information that we will be translating in form of the equation will be in 2022, which is the gap of 9 years. So Kia will be 3 times as old as Gia was in 2013. So the information says that in 2022 Kia will be 3 times as old. So first of all, we have to think that how old Kia will be in 2022. If Kia is X years old in 2013, the expression for Kia's age in 2022 will be X plus 9, because there is a gap of 9 years between 2013 and 2022. And the next part says that he will be 3 times as old as Gia was in 2013. Gia was Y years old in 2013. So the information will be turned in form of 3y. I hope you are clear about that how we are translating this information in form of the mathematical equations. Final requirement of the question is that we have to find their ages in 2014. In 2014, for that, first of all, we have to find their ages in 2013 and then we have to think about the ages for 2014. So first problem is to decide by which method we are going to solve this problem. If we look at the second equation, we can see that we can easily make x the subject of formula from the second equation. So what I will be doing from equation 2, I will be using substitution method here. From equation 2, x will be equal to 3y minus 9. Now let me block this equation because we will be using this equation in the further solution as well. So and let it be A, then what we have to do, we have to replace this value of x in equation 1. So equation 1 will take the form x plus y equals to 11. Instead of x, I have to replace 3y minus 9 plus y equals to 11. This will give me 3y plus y is 4y, and 11 plus 9, that is 20. 4y equals to 20, and y, in order to get value of y, I have to shift this 4 to other side. 20 by 4, so the value of y is 4 ones are and 4 fives are. Y equals to 5, and y, we know that y is the expression for the age of Gia in 2013. So after getting the age of Gia, we have to get the answer for x as well. So what I will be doing, replace y equals to 5 in A, and equation will take the form x equals to 3y minus 9, x equals to 3 into 5 minus 9, 15 minus 9, x equals to 6. So this is the value of x, and x we know is the age of Kia in 2013. If I'm adding 6 and 5, it means my sum is correct. Now the final requirement of the question is that we have to find their ages in 2014. Now we can see that from 2013 to 2014 there is the gap of 1 year. So we have to find that after 1 year how old they both will be. So what we have to do, we have to write that Kia's age in 2014, Kia's age in 2014 will be equal to 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7 years, and Gia's age will be equal to 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6 years. I hope you are clear about this problem. So the value of x is 7 and value of y is 6, but in 2014. This is the answer for 2014. I hope you are clear about this problem. And let's move to question number 13. And first, let's read the question from the book. Question says, 6 adults and 4 senior citizens have to pay $228, while 13 adults and 7 senior citizens have to pay $459 to visit an exhibition at the Science Museum. Find the total amount 2 adults and a senior citizen have to pay to visit the exhibition. Okay, now the problem is about the money and the total amount that 2 adults and a senior citizen has to pay to visit the exhibition. The answer of the last part depends upon the solution of the simultaneous equations which are given in the problem. So first of all, we have to translate the given information in form of the simultaneous equations. So first we are going to suppose that the amount that has to be paid by one adult is, let the amount paid by adult equals to $x, and the amount paid by a senior citizen equals to $y. Now the question says 6 adults and 4 senior citizens. If one adult has to pay $x, then 6 adults have to pay have to pay 6x, and 4 senior citizens plus 4y equals to 228. And this will be the first equation, and the second equation will be, the question says that 13 adults and 7 senior citizens. So it means the second equation will be 13x plus 7y. They all together have to pay $459. I hope you are clear about how we are framing the given information in form of the mathematical equations and statements. Now, what we have to do, we have to observe equation 1 carefully, that we can extract 2 as a common factor. So it's always good to simplify your problem before moving to the next step. If I'm taking 2 as a common factor, my equation will take the form 2 into 3x plus 2y equals to 2 multiplied by, now I have taken 2 as a common factor from 228, and the equation will take the form over here 2 ones are 2 ones are and 4s are. Now this 2 can be simplified with each other, and the equation will take the form 3x plus 2y equals to 3x plus 2y equals to 114. Now we have to write both the equations together. The second equation is 13x plus 7y equals to 459. Now if we observe both the equations carefully, we can see that the coefficients of both the variables x and y are not same. We are not having any one variable with the balanced coefficients, so we have to go for the balancing of coefficients. So I will be preferring the balancing of y because y has the smaller coefficients. Now what I have to do, let it be equation 3, and this be equation 2, which is already marked in the question. Now the LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. So what we will be doing, in order to make this 2 to 14, I have to multiply this equation by 7, and I have to multiply this second equation by 2. So the question will take the form, I have to carefully multiply 7 3 times is 21, 7 3 times is 21x, plus 7 2 times is 14y equals to 114 multiplied by 7 will give me 114 multiplied by 7, that is 798. Now let's move to the second equation. 13 will be multiplied by 2, it will give me 26x plus 14y equals to 459 multiplied by 2, 918. Now what we have to do, we have to observe the coefficients of y in both the equations. They are positive 14, same coefficient, same sign. So recall my previous lesson that in case of same coefficient, same sign, what we have to do, we have to change the sign of second equation, or we have to subtract the equations. So when I will be changing the sign of second equation, we can see that positive 14 with negative 14. So I can remove this y term easily. I can cancel this, and I will left my equation in one variable only, that is x. So 21 minus 26 will give me minus 5x equals to, now take away 798 from 918, 798 minus 918, and this will give me minus 120. Okay, now what we can do, that we can shift this minus 5 to other side in order to get value of x. So the equation will take the form x equals to minus 120 by minus 5. Now this will be going, and 120 divided by 5 will give me 24. X equals to 5 ones are 5 twos are and 5 fours are 20. X equals to 24. So this is the amount that an adult has to pay, 24. Okay, and now let me block this answer. And now in order to get value of y, that the amount that a senior citizen has to pay, I have to replace this value of x in any one of the equations, and I will be preferring this equation. Replace x equals to 24 in equation 3. So the equation 3 will take the form 3x plus 2y equals to 114. Instead of x, I have to replace 24. 3 multiplied by 24 plus 2y equals to 114. Now what we have to do, read the table. Here you should have the command on the tables as well. 4 3 times is 12, 3 2 is 6 and 1 7 plus 2y equals to 114. Shift 72 to other side. 2y equals to 114 minus 72. Take away 72 from 114. 114 minus 72 will give me 42. 2y equals to 42. Now shift this 2 to other side, divide it. 42 divided by 2, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and ones are, y equals to 21. So this is the amount that a senior citizen has to pay, y equals to 21. Now I hope you are clear about this working. Now the question says, find the total amount that 2 adults and a senior citizen has to pay. So the total amount equals to 2 adults. 2 adults means that 2x, because we are supposing the expression for adults x plus senior citizen is y. Now instead of x, 2 into 24 plus 21, that is 48, plus 21, 8 and 1 9, 4 to 6, 69. So $69 or $69 is the amount that has to be paid, by 2 adults and a senior citizen. I hope you are clear about today's lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.